why all brands are making smart glasses. From Meta to Amazon to even Apple is jumping into this space. But why? If you take a look around, everyone's glued to their phones, right? But what if I told you that the next big tech revolution isn't something you hold in your hand, but something you wear on your face? We are talking about smart glasses. In this video, let's discuss why all brands are making smart glasses, why are smart glasses suddenly the next big thing, what does it mean for us, and who will win in this race. So, let's dive in. And make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss my next video. So first off, let's talk about the phone. Our smartphones are amazing, but they have a few downsides. They are distracting, they keep our heads down, and they create a barrier between us and the real world. Smart glasses promise to fix that. Imagine getting directions floating right in front of your eyes, seeing a translation of a sign in real time, or quickly taking a photo all without lifting a finger or pulling out your phone. It's about blending the digital world into our real world, making tech more natural. Now, smart glasses aren't exactly brand new. Remember Google Glass from like 10 years ago? It was cool, but maybe a bit too early. The tech just wasn't ready. But today, things are way different. First, the miniaturization. Everything is smaller and lighter now. Batteries, cameras, tiny projectors, they can all fit into a normal looking pair of glasses. Then, AI power. Artificial intelligence is huge. It helps the glasses understand what you're seeing and hearing, giving you useful info without you even asking. Then better screens for AR. The little screens inside some smart glasses are getting much better at showing clear images that look like they are floating in front of you. This is called augmented reality, or you can say AR. Then wireless connectivity. Faster Wi-Fi and 5G means less lag and smoother experience. So who's actually making these things? Almost everyone. Meta with Ray-Ban. They are probably the most visible right now with their Ray-Ban Meta glasses. Now they also come with display. These are focused on social sharing, snapping photos and videos, taking calls, listening to music, and live translation, all hands-free. They look pretty stylish too. Then Amazon Eco Frames. Amazon has its Eco Frames. They are more about audio, playing music, and talking to Alexa right from your glasses. No screens, just smart sound. While Google Glass didn't take off with everyone, Google is still heavily invested in AR. They are working on new versions, Android Exa, often for business use, but they are definitely not out of the game for consumer. Of course, we have the rumors of Android Exa. Let's see what happens later this year. And then there's Apple. They haven't officially released anything yet, but the rumors about Apple glasses have been going on for years. We expect them to jump with a sleek, powerful, and very integrated device when they finally do. XReal and others. Companies like XReal are making AR glasses that essentially give you a giant virtual screen wherever you go. Great for watching movies or working on the go. There are also many others focusing on industrial uses like helping factory workers. Smart glasses face some big hurdles too, like the privacy. This is huge. Having cameras on people's faces can make others uncomfortable. Companies need to be super clear about when these devices are recording. Then battery life. All these cool features drain power. No one wants to charge their glasses every few hours. Then comfort and style. People want to wear them all day. They can't be too heavy or look too ugly. The killer app. What's the one thing that will make people say, I need smart glasses? Is it AR navigation, AI assistance? We are still waiting for that one truly indispensable feature. So with all that in mind, who do you think will win the smart glasses race? This is just my opinion of course, but I am not putting my money on Apple. Here's why. Design power. Apple is amazing at making tech look good and feel natural. This is critical for something you wear on your face. As with the iPhone Air, we have observed how they integrated the camera, battery and other components into its slim form factor. Of course, ecosystem. They have a massive ecosystem of iPhones, Apple Watches and AirPods. Smart glasses will slot right into that, making them super easy to use for existing Apple customers. Then patience. They don't rush. They wait until the technology is truly ready and polished before launching. When they do launch, it's usually game changer. Privacy focus, that's perception. While all tech companies face privacy scrutiny, Apple has often branded itself as more privacy focused, which could help overcome some of the public's concerns. Meta with Ray-Ban is doing a great job making smart glasses fashionable now, and Amazon is great for basic audio. But I believe Apple has the best chance to bring a truly revolutionary and widely adopted smart glasses experience to the mainstream. So that's my take on why every brand is chasing smart glasses and who I think will come out on top. What do you think? Are you excited for smart glasses? Who do you think will lead the way? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech insights, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.